Hi, I'm Nicholas, reporting you from South Africa. I'm here to share my lessons with you. Welcome to my world school. What's amazing about this LionPark is that you get really close up.
Cool. Okay, now lions, they always live in a big pride. There's always one male who is in charge of the females, and his job is to mark the territory and protect that territory with the females in that territory. And the way he does this, he will urinate on his back legs. The smell will then get onto his feet, and he will walk around his territory, usually around the border, and that means if another male was to try and come into his territory, they will be able to smell there's already a resident male there. He will also rub his head and his mane into the trees, and usually he will then stand with his back towards the tree and spray onto the tree as well.
Why are these lions here?
These lions are here not just so people can touch them and interact with them. It's actually because with captive lions they can sometimes reject their cubs and not raise them themselves. And the reason for this is sometimes with the first time mother, she's not quite sure what to do. So she will just leave them and not feed them properly. And if this happens, we take them and bring them to these enclosures and we hand raise them.
So what's he doing?
He is actually trying to suck on the other lion's ear, and they do sometimes do this for comforting each other. And it also helps with the bonding process with each other as well.
So Kirsty, why are these lions white?
Okay, well, we have white lions because of a recessive gene that the brown lions carry. So if the parents have that gene, then there is a small chance that they will produce white cubs like these guys. And they are completely normal. It's not a birth defect. They do actually originate from a region in Kruger National Park, which is called the Timbavati region. They are completely naturally occurring, but here at the park we have a very successful breeding program with these guys, as you can see.
So what happens to them after this?
They come into this enclosure at 2 months old and then leave at 6 months. They then go into 2 more enclosures, which we keep them there so then they'll be big enough and strong enough to look after themselves. Because after those 2 enclosures, they have to go in with adult lions and look after themselves.
Is this Georgina, the baby giraffe that resides at LionPark?